Hey, this is Lady C. Welcome to Creative Studio 101. Back in the house with you, helping you to understand how to record Zoom recordings in the cloud. So in this upcoming segment, we're going to do just that. Let's get right to it. So right now you're going to see Zoom on my screen, and I'm already scheduling a meeting. So we don't have to worry about, going through all those extra steps. We're going to hop right to it. And basically, I'm going to type in meeting in the cloud. So once you type in the name of your meeting, I'm just going to take you all the way down to the bottom because you know how to fill out the rest of the form because you've probably already seen some of my other tutorials on that. So basically, all you're going to do is go down to the bottom of the screen and you're going to choose the option in the cloud. So for the meeting that I'm going to schedule here, you're going to be actually recording this meeting in the cloud. Okay? So now all you have to do is just save it after you put all your other information in there and you're done. It's just that simple. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead on and I'm going to start this meeting. Okay, so now that I have actually started my meeting, ended my meeting, I'm now ready to go find my recording in the cloud. So let's go fetch it. I'm in Zoom on the profile tab. To locate my online meetings that I recorded and saved in the cloud, I need to choose the recordings tab on the left-hand side here. Once you click on recordings, you've got the two links at the top, one for cloud recordings and the other for local recordings. And we're actually on the cloud recordings tab already. You're going to notice that meeting in the cloud is the same meeting that I scheduled earlier so that I could show how to save it in the cloud. So you have the meeting ID, the start time, the start date and time, and the file size and how many files that are associated with this file. So it's just that simple. Once you choose that you want to record your meeting in the cloud, it's very simple to go find. It's simply right on Zoom's servers. This has been Lady C. Thank you for being in my audience, and I'll see you on the next video.